Now we're really lost. We have no freaking idea where to go. They got all these signs going on. One says, let's see here. One says, you see it? It says this way, and I guess the arrow pointing both ways. All these different arrows. Oh my gosh, look at all these signs. It's crazy, man. It's straight madness. Beware of poison ivy. Where do we go? All these different directions. This is what's going on in my head, man. Pretty green. Hey. Leaf, leaf, leaf. A hairy leaf cup. A nursery of raccoons. Ah! It's a Decepticon! You are being watched.
There's one on top. Yeah.
A flock of signs. A flock of signs. Keep going. The sky's the limit. A nice little patch of weeds. A gentle breeze. A deer or two.
Sometimes a chipmunk.
Sometimes a chipmunk is standing there. A dray of squirrels, a tree, bark on a tree, happy tree, Cooper's hawk, scenic view, garlic mustard and jack-in-the-bush, aka sauce alone, aka penny hedge, common hackberry, what? Question marks. Another happy tree. Which way? Which way? Here or there? I don't know. Huh? What? Over there? Look, a tree. Nature. Creeper. Hey, look. Invasive human. Kickapoo, Padawa, Iroquois, Eleni, Wina, Muncie, Linder, Shockey, Miami, Nanacoke. I don't know how to say any of that. But I gave it a shot because I'm living life on the edge. And who cares what other people think? I guess we'll just go this way. We see some marked trees up there. I think we'll be safe. I see a big lake. We might get in it. I don't know. What do you think? He says he don't know, but I might. I don't know.
I think she's crazy.
I say live life on the edge and just jump in. Screw it.